In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to increase DPI in Canva if you want your design to look sharper for printing or higher quality export. Canva doesn't always show DPI as a setting you type in directly. Instead, you increase the effective DPI by choosing the right file format and exporting at a higher resolution. I'll walk you through exactly how to do that in a simple way. First, open your design in Canva. Make sure you're inside the project you want to export, whether it's a flyer, poster, presentation, or any other graphic. This is important because the export settings are selected from within the design itself. Once your design is open, go to the top right corner of the screen and click Share. A menu will appear with several options. From that drop-down, find and select Download. This is where Canva gives you the export settings that affect image quality and print output. Next, choose your file type. If your goal is high-quality printing, select PDF print if that option is available in your account. This is usually the best choice for printed materials because it preserves quality and is designed for professional output. If you specifically need an image file instead, choose PNG. PNG is a good option for high-quality digital graphics and can also work for print in some cases, especially when exported at a larger size. If you're downloading as a PNG, look for the size slider and increase it. This step is what helps you export at a higher resolution. In practical terms, a larger exported image means more pixels, which can improve the effective DPI when the image is printed or used at the correct dimensions. If you want the sharpest result possible, move the slider up as far as you need while keeping your intended use in mind. Then, under Quality, select High. This tells Canva to prioritize better output quality during export. It's a small setting, but it can make a noticeable difference, especially if you want cleaner details and a more polished final result. After that, click Download. Canva will process the file and save it to your device using the settings you selected. And that's it. That's how you increase DPI in Canva by exporting your design in a higher quality format, and when using PNG, increasing the size for a higher resolution result. If you're preparing something for print, PDF print is usually the safest option. If you need an image, PNG with a larger size setting is the way to go.